Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Penguin. If your vocabulary has been running on low battery, it's time for a full lingo upgrade. Don't just say you're angry. Try words like rage, furious, agitated, livid. Livid sounds like you're about to hulk out. Instead of scared, say petrified, alarmed, terrified. Perfect for horror movies and parent-teacher meetings. Confused is for jigsaw puzzles, but if you're baffled, perplexed, and puzzled, now you're a mess, but an elegant one. That maths test wasn't just hard, it was arduous, challenging, like assembling a IKEA furniture blindfolded. And there you go, your vocabulary just got a glow up, worthy of a red carpet. Hit that like button, smack subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another dose of English awesomeness. This is Prakriti signing off. See you in the next one. Bye for now.